stories run deep. Roselle raised us strong, gave us dreams to keep. We've been through it all, but we're still standing. Every hand here helps build the landing for a future brighter than yesterday. In Roselle, we find our way. This is Roselle, where the heart stays strong. Different roots, but we all belong. From every street to every smile, this little town goes the extra mile. First to shine with the light, yeah, we made that spark. Ramped in our hearts, hear us roar in the dark. Dreams to keep. We've been through it all, but we're still standing. Every hand here helps build the landing for a future bright.